I'm going to make a wooden square. I was recently making a set of chairs and I borrowed a wooden square from another cabinet maker throughout the project, and so I thought it was due time I made my own. It's likely I'll use it all my life, so I'd like to make it out of some nice stuff. This was part of a table leaf. It was probably cut 300 years ago. It was a table for the last 250, so stability probably won't be an issue, which is obviously a big concern when making a square. You want it to stay square. This is the rough idea of what it will be. This nice detail at the end of the blade, stringing in the body. This is the material for the body, this is the stringing. Next thing to do though is size up the material, mortise and tenon, and then test fit. Now it's rough fitted, I can touch it with a plane, lightly sand it, add the detail to the end of the blade and add the stringing into the body. That's the square finished and waxed. The detail on the end of the blade I think has thrown the proportions between the body and the blade, so the body looks a little bit too big proportionally to the blade. That's fine for now, I can make another one. I learnt my lesson from this one, but I will enjoy using it on many projects to come. But at some point I'd like to make a larger square and I can take my lessons and use it on that one. As it takes on those wear marks from the projects, it'll begin to look like the ones I've borrowed from cabinet makers before me, and it'll start to look like a tool that's lived a life.